Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I will show how Grandstream GDS3726 can work with GXV3380 to provide video calling and one-touch door access. It offers 4 megapixel camera, RFID reader, one-touch call button, speaker and white LED light for night mode. And on the back side, RJ45 connector and other input and output connections. So today I have PBX, IP phone and GDS. So in this example, I'm using extension 301 for the video phone and extension 302 for GDS. And I will show the configuration part, how to configure the devices, and will show you the demo. So we will first log in the devices and then configure extension in the PBX side. So I have logged in GDS3726 and 3380 is already logged in. Now I will move to the PBX. We have UCM 6302 and I'm going to add the extensions and selecting batch so that I can create multiple extensions at once. So I'm starting with 301. So totally 301 and 302 two extensions will be created in the PBX. Now I will configure extension in GXV3380. So I'm configuring extension 301 and giving the password, save and apply changes. Now it is registered to the PBX. Similarly, I will configure GDS3726. So I'm giving 302 extension on GDS and filling up SIP server, authentication ID and the password of this extension. Now GDS is as well registered, and then we will configure access control settings. So the relay should be set to open door, as you can see here. Then doorbell settings. So we have multiple options. You can choose any account or you can choose auto only for single account. Then doorbell mode, call the specified number, relay out and both. So in our condition, we are just choosing call the specified number and serial hunting. So we have 4 options. So I'm choosing first option, rule 1. And here I'm giving call number as the extension number of video phone. And similarly, if you want to give other numbers, so you can give the number or IP address in the second box. So this way you can call IP address as well if you do not have IP PBX. So you can make the IP calls from the GDS. Now save and apply this. And on the open door setting, we will configure the password for relay 1. So we have to configure the value added services for GDS, and this is different in all models. So you have to choose door system and system type GDS, then extension number of the VDP, then give the name, display name and the access password, and you can choose for relay 2 as well. Now I will show you the demo of call. So I'm pressing the button on the VDP and the call is landing on the IP phone. Here I can get the video preview before the call and I can open the door. So we have seen. Now I will show how we can use IP address calling. So we have to set the IP address over here and save and apply. Now pressing the button, and you can see the call is going, but no video preview. So we have to configure GDS setting in the video phone. So we have to modify the system number, and we have to give the IP address of the VDP. Since the VDP IP address is 3.224, so we have configured the same. Now we will call from VDP. And you can see the video preview is coming before answering the call, and we can answer the call and unlock the door just pressing the unlock button. Door open, and the door is open.